In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the QuickBooks card reader. Whether you're a small business owner or managing transactions on the go, mastering this tool can significantly streamline your payment processes. Let's dive in and get familiar with using the QuickBooks card reader for smoother, more efficient transactions. First things first, let's start by opening your QuickBooks software. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This step ensures that you're connected to your main account, where all your business transactions are managed and recorded. By logging in, you're ensuring that every transaction processed will be seamlessly integrated into your QuickBooks system, keeping your records up to date and organized without any extra effort. Next, it's time to explore the QuickBooks GoPayment app. This is a critical tool for accepting debit and credit card payments easily. The GoPayment app is designed to be user-friendly, making it an indispensable resource for anyone looking to modernize their payment methods and improve their customer experience. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your App Store and search for QuickBooks GoPayment. Once found, install the app on your device. This necessity allows you to process payments directly from your smartphone, ensuring you never miss a sale, whether in-store or on the go. Once you have the app installed, open it up and sign in using your QuickBooks credentials. This will link the app to your financial system, ensuring that every payment you accept is recorded in real time. It's a huge time saver and helps in maintaining accurate financial records without needing to manually enter each transaction into QuickBooks later on. Now, let's discuss why the QuickBooks card reader, in combination with the GoPayment app, is a game changer. This setup allows you to process payments effortlessly while out in the field or in your brick-and-mortar store without needing bulky point-of-sale equipment. It's ideal for small business owners who require mobility or those looking to simplify their transaction processes. The seamless integration means that as soon as a payment is processed, it's immediately reflected in your QuickBooks account, reducing the chance of human error and saving you valuable time on bookkeeping. Another valuable tip is to regularly update both QuickBooks and the GoPayment app, ensuring you have access to the latest features and security enhancements. Keeping your software up to date will help protect your business data from security threats and ensure you're benefiting from the newest technological advancements available. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to make the most of your QuickBooks card reader and GoPayment app. By following these steps, you'll find yourself handling debit and credit payments more effortlessly than ever before, leaving you more time to focus on what's truly important, growing your business. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to easier, more efficient transactions ahead.